Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be comparing the Predator 3500 against the Powerhorse 4500. These generators are identical in size, they look alike, but one has 3,500 watts and the Powerhorse has 4,500 watts. Let's find out if it's just a inverter swap or what it is. I know they have the exact same engine, everything's the same, but they have different power ratings. Let's see where this one excels and where this one falls off. I'm going to try the Predator first, Powerhorse second. Let's get the test started. Let me fire up the generator. Okay guys, I got the Predator running. Let's wait for it to warm up a little bit, introduce power to the RV, and we're going to start the test. We're going to load them up and see which one's better. Let's do a dB test at idle and see which one's quieter as well. Okay, this is the Predator at idle. $54.2. These are some quiet generators, okay? Especially the Predator. Pretty sure the Powerhorse is just as quiet. We just have a little more delay. Then it should introduce power to the RV and we'll get the test started. We're gonna try the fridge, 2 AC, and maybe the stove just to get that power up there. We'll see. Okay guys, we have the Predator pure sine wave. You can see that sine wave real clean, no distortion. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, turn on your refrigerator. I try to run my tests kind of like how you would do it while you're camping. So most people always run the refrigerator, microwave, AC. So I always turn on the refrigerator first. All right, so we have the refrigerator running. Let's turn on the AC. We'll turn on one AC. Okay, we got one AC running. Let's do a sound test with the fridge and one AC. The compressor should be kicking in soon. Everybody always asks me, do I have self starts? Yes, I do. See how quiet this is? This is a refrigerator and an AC. $54.6. All right. Let's hit that second AC. I mean, I'm right up on the thing. Absolutely crazy how quiet it is. 69 dBs right up against it with one refrigerator, 2 AC. $57.9. You have 2 AC running, guys. All right, let's find out the limit. Let's get that red light flashing. All right, there you go. Got the overload light right at 30 amps, okay? 3.4, and I think it's gonna do it. Let's turn off the stove. So we got our limit. We saw the limit of the Predator. Red light came on, and it was starting to struggle. So that's as far as I'm gonna take it. Okay guys, so you saw that red light come on right about 30.9. All right, we'll just say 31 amps. That was the limit to the Predator. I didn't want to push it too far, so shut off the breaker. It would have went off in another minute. All right, didn't want to go there. But that's the limit. The red light came on. Let's find the limit to the Powerhorse. If we go past refrigerator, 2 AC, and the induction stove, then we know this two actually have a difference. Okay, we got the Powerhorse hooked up, the Powerhorse 4500 to the RV. Okay, let's do a dB test on the Powerhorse at 23 feet. I'm getting 50.3 on this one. It is quieter. Okay, 50.3, we should be getting power to it. Let's see if it holds the voltage and past 30.9. I think that's our amperage we have to beat. So far it's quieter. Let's see if it handles the load and transition through the load like the Predator. Okay, we got power to the RV. Okay, just like the Predator, pure sine wave, no distortion in that wave, absolutely clean power. Let's turn that refrigerator on. Turn on the first AC. Real smooth transition on the load. Absolutely flawless. Compressors on. Same spot, 1 AC, refrigerator. $54.7. Okay. Turn on that second AC. As soon as the second AC comes on, we're going to hit it with the induction stove on 10. And if it goes past that, two AC, 13.5 BTUs, one refrigerator. $64.3 right up on it. All right, guys, let's go for it. Induction stove on. Let's go all the way to 10. That's where the overload light came on the Predator as well. This one's saying 33 amps. Overload light is flashing. So there you go, guys. We're talking about 1,000 more watts starting. So here's your answer. Good power, 115. It is holding it a little better than the Predator. The Predator was sounding like it was sputtering. 3.8. Okay guys, there you have it. The Predator 3500 and the Powerhorse 4500. This one got you right at 31 amps. This one got you right at 33 amps. Are those 2 amps worth the difference? I don't know. They might just be rated different, but now, if I had to pick one, and I'm talking about me, I will pick this one. Let's look at some differences. You have 3-pin twist lock. Over here, you have an RV plug. Okay? They don't come with covers. I would like to see some dust covers on both of those. This one right here, you have a switch you have to push to start. This guy right here has a button to start. So you have push button, USB, RV. You have the square parallel, the upgraded ones, the big ones. That's a newer one. Over here, you still have the round. No problem. They still work the same, and you can't actually parallel these two together. I've shown you guys that in a video. DC 8 amps output. Over here, you get the USB instead. But I'm just saying, I'm partial to the RV 30 amp plug and the push start. They both have the gauge, both have the meter, manual gas gauge on top, exactly the same. But if I was going to pick one, I would go with this one just for the upgrades. But the Predator, I mean, it's a workhorse, absolute workhorse. I'm pretty sure Harbor Freight Predator will be upgraded, will be updated. If they do update it, I would like to see dust caps and the RV plug and maybe a push start. And that's it. But these two guys, absolutely flawless generators. You have, before the overload light came on, it was that's just 2 amps difference. I can't even say which one won. I'm not gonna pick a winner from 2 amps because this probably do the same thing if I would have just let it run a little harder. But you guys know I don't like to stress the generator out too much. 212 cc engine is rated for 29.2 amps. We got 33. The Predator is rated for 25 amps. We got 30.9. So actually, this guy is doing better. It's rated for less, got more. It's rated for 25, it pulled 30.9. This one's rated for 29, it pulled 33. All right, guys, push that subscribe button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I know a lot of you guys have pushed that subscribe button. I appreciate it. For those of you who are still watching and haven't decided to subscribe, surprise me. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my channel. Have a great day. Bye.